Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe and turn on your notification button. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for staying till this time. I'm making this video to reply a comment. Can the transparent jar be used for tiger nut drink? So I promise to make a video, I promise to test it, and this is me dropping a video how I used my Vtcl exhaler to make tiger nut drink. You can watch and check out the outcome. Thank you all for watching. I'll be using this outcome because I'll be sitting. So for the next one now, which is what I will do. So I'm cooking this. Here we go.